The chaotic life of former powerful MP who never feared presidents. Daniel Arap Moi ruled Kenya with an iron certainty that bred fear, obedience, and silence. His intolerance where dissent became legend. Critics were broken in torture chambers, others vanished into exile, and parliament learned, often brutally, that power was not to be mocked. Yet in that atmosphere of dread, one man repeatedly refused to bow, but John Keane did not fear presidents. A political brawler by instinct and conviction, Keane served as assistant minister under both Jomo Kenyatta and Moi. But he never mastered the art of obedience. He thrived on confrontation, spectacle, and controversy, and in doing so carved out a reputation as one of the most daring and reckless politicians of his generation. Subscribe EBK for more information.